The lens of attraction. Why you can't do anything right. Ever feel like no matter how hard you try, things just don't go your way? You're not alone. This feeling can be incredibly frustrating. Like you're aiming for something but can't hit the target. It can make you question your abilities. You put in the hours, push yourself, but it feels like you're stuck. This can lead to burnout. There's a hidden factor at play, a lens shaping your choices and how you see the world. But there's good news, you can shift it. By becoming aware of this lens, you can change your perspective. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and develop a positive outlook. Remember to celebrate your successes. Each step forward is progress. Take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and start shifting your lens today. You are capable and worthy. The pattern of self-doubt. A familiar story. You wake up, look in the mirror, and question your worth. The reflection is filled with uncertainty and doubt. You push yourself at work, but it's never enough. The hours are long, and the recognition is scarce. Exhaustion is overwhelming. Personal goals? They feel miles away. Dreams and aspirations seem out of reach, and discouragement sets in. This is the pattern of self-doubt. Stress and frustration build, trapping you in a cycle. We're going to explore why this happens and how to break free. Understanding self-doubt is the first step. By the end, you'll understand the lens of attraction. Imagine feeling inspired and confident. Together, we'll break the cycle and create a new empowering story. Trapped. It's a feeling many of us know all too well. The sensation of being ensnared by invisible threads, unable to move forward. These threads are often spun from the experiences of our past, weaving a web that holds us back. Our past is like a collection of snapshots, each moment captured in time, each memory a piece of the puzzle that forms who we are today. This lens is shaped by your past. Imagine your perception as a lens through which you view the world. Every joy, every sorrow, every triumph, and every failure adds a layer to this lens. Past hurts can cloud our vision, making it difficult to see the possibilities that lie ahead. Our minds tend to magnify the negative, focusing on flaws and problems. When we expect the worst, we often find it. Our thoughts shape our reality. This is the negative side of the law of attraction. Dwelling on negative thoughts attracts more negativity. But there's hope. By acknowledging and understanding our past, we can reshape our lens, focusing on the positive. Embrace the lessons of the past. Transform pain into wisdom and attract positivity and growth into your life. The breaking point, seeing the cycle. But then, something shifts. You have a realization. You see the cycle of negativity. You see how your expectations are setting you up for disappointment. You see how your thoughts and actions are intertwined, creating a loop of frustration and failure. This is the turning point. This is where you start to understand the power of your mindset. This is where change begins. You realize that by changing your perspective, you can change your reality. You start to set new, positive expectations. You begin to see opportunities instead of obstacles. This is the moment of empowerment. This is where you take control of your life. This is where your journey of transformation truly begins. Shifting your lens takes effort, but it's a journey worth embarking on. Start by noticing your thoughts. When you catch yourself being negative, reframe the situation. Look for the good in every moment, no matter how small. Challenge your limiting beliefs by questioning their validity. Write down your thoughts in a journal to gain clarity. Meditate to center yourself and find inner peace. Take a walk in nature to reconnect with the world around you. Practice yoga to align your body and mind. Smile at yourself in the mirror to boost your self-esteem. Remember, taking back control is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. With consistent effort, you'll start to see a shift in your perspective, leading to a more positive and empowered life. Keep going and don't give up. You have the power to change your lens and take back control. Small steps, big changes, building a new reality. Small changes add up. Focus on what you can control. It's the little things that make a big difference. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Each victory is a step forward. As you shift your focus, you'll attract more positive experiences. Your mindset shapes your reality. You'll start to see yourself and your world differently. Embrace the journey and the transformation. Remember, it's a process. Be patient with yourself. Surround yourself with positivity and support. Together, we can build a new reality. The future is bright when you take it one step at a time. The power of gratitude. Finding joy in the journey. Gratitude is a powerful tool. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life. This simple practice can shift your energy and attract more positivity. Remember, Joy is found in the journey, not just the destination. Embracing imperfection, letting go of the need to be right. Let go of perfection. Embrace your imperfections. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to not have all the answers. Give yourself permission to be human. In our quest for perfection, we often forget that being human means being flawed. We strive to be right, to have all the answers, and to never make mistakes. But this constant need for perfection can be exhausting and unattainable. Instead, we should focus on embracing our imperfections and understanding that it's okay to be wrong sometimes. When we let go of the need to be right, we open ourselves up to growth and learning. We become more compassionate towards ourselves and others. We start to see mistakes as opportunities for growth, rather than failures. Imagine the freedom that comes with accepting that you don't have to be perfect. You can make mistakes, learn from them, and move forward. You can embrace your humanity and all the imperfections that come with it. So, give yourself permission to be human, let go of the need to be right, and embrace the beauty of imperfection. It's in our flaws that we find our true strength and resilience. You choose your reality. Every day you have the power to shape your experiences and perceptions. You have the power to choose how you see your world. Your mindset can transform your life. Choose to see the good. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and let them guide you. Choose to focus on what you can control. Let go of what you cannot change and embrace what you can. Choose to be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is essential for personal growth and happiness. You are capable of amazing things. Believe it. Trust in your abilities and take steps towards your dreams. Choose to invest in yourself. Learn, grow, and nurture your passions. Surround yourself with positivity. The people and environments you choose can uplift and inspire you. Reflect on your journey, acknowledge your progress, and set intentions for the future. You have the power to create a fulfilling and joyful life. Embrace it.